welcome back to another video, guys. So today I am going to do my own nails. I'm going to do this hand on camera and I'll do this one off camera later. So these that I'm doing today are for a special occasion, but I'm going to turn this video into something a little bit fun. I've not wrote in the title or the thumbnail what the special occasion is. It's just one day, and I don't want no cheating. I want you to see how long into the video before you can guess what the special occasion is. No cheating. Yeah, and see if any of you guess what the special occasion is before I show you at the end. I'm sure you will, but anyway, I'm just going to be doing, I'm going to use full cover tips. I'm going to use these tips because I've got thousands of them and I want to use some of them up. And they're just a bit like coffin, ballerina, oh, sugar. Yeah, like coffin, ballerina. I've got hundreds and hundreds of them in clear, natural. And yeah, they're just full cover tips. Nice shape. So I'm going to use them. And I'm just going to be putting them on with the glue gel from, I'm using gel-like glue gel. Yeah. I've got a few colours out. There's no real colour theme for this occasion that I'm going to, as far as I'm aware anyway. There's no real colour theme. First I pulled this out because I love it. Oh my gosh, and I've never used it. Look at this colour, guys. It's just a neon kind of peachy orange. It's beautiful, isn't it? And then I've pulled out, I thought these would go nice together. I'm using Umix colours, as you can see. This is like a corky green. And this one, actually, is not normally my cup of tea, but it's a brown, but it's got an ultra fine shimmer in it. It's a bit of a burgundy brown, but it's got a beautiful shimmer in it. So I've got that out. I've got a white, because that's going to be my base colour. And 3 colours. So I've got 3 glittery colours. So I've got a really bright yellowy gold, but look at the sparkle on that. Isn't that sparkle crazy? Beautiful, that is. Beautiful. This is like a rose gold. Yeah, it's got small hex and a fine in with it. And then this one is a holographic black, but my camera doesn't like to pick up hollow. Or you can see it a little bit. So that's the colours I've pulled out. 3 glitters. The white is my base colour. And 3 colours. So 3 glitters, 3 colours. So, shall we get on with it? My nails, I've already been prepped. Cuticles pushed back. I've got rid of all the dead skin. Don't look at the tip bits. Just look at my cuticles. They're all done. Damaged them. I picked them off in a anxious frenzy last week. So, shall we get on with it? So I am not gonna buff the inside of these nails because, like I said, it is just for the day, and I'll be taking these off because they're not, I like pink, don't I? Anyway, so yeah, normally you'd have to etch the inside of these, get the shiny surface off. Not gonna do that. Shall we get on with this? I've put a peel off base coat on because obviously these are just for the day. So I'm gonna start with my pinky, get my lamp nice and ready. Let's get these colours out of the way for now. So yeah, I'm just going to show you attaching 1 or 2 nails, because obviously I need to get through the design and I've already spoke way too much during this video. It's going to be too long. So let's get on with it. So normally you would etch the inside of this. So I'm just going to, I'm using my left hand as well, guys, so this is really difficult. So I'm just going to put a little strip down the centre of my nail, and I'm going to put a little bit in there as well, just a little titty bit. Turn my lamp on, ready, and then I'm just going to press this on like that and hold it under the lamp like that. So that's that one on. It's a little bit wonky donkey. So let's do another quickly. Oh shit, that's a little bit wonky donkey. We'll sort that out with the file, don't worry about that. Oh gosh. Right, I'm going to speed through these now and come back to you once they're all on. Right guys, that's them all on. Don't worry about this being at a slant because I'm going to paint these. I'm just going to stick these in my full lamp now. In my big lamp for a full cure. So I'm just going to... Can you see the tips? I've got them little notches on. Just going to file them little notches off. Right, and I need to sort the shape out on that one. Right, so that's them all filed and buffed. They don't look too bad, do they? That's a bit wonky donkey, but they'll look better once they're painted. Right, I'm going to get my base colour down, which is going to be white. I'll just do one coat because most of it's going to be getting covered up anyway. So I'm using my left hand as well, guys, so go easy on me. Right, stick them in the lamp for 30 seconds. So I'm going to use this orange and I want a couple of slices on just two of the nails, that one. I'm being very lazy, I should get a liner brush out really, but sorry you can hear a drill, guys. That's cute. And the green, I'm going to do a slice on the other nails. That's a beautiful green. I don't like greens normally, but that's pretty, isn't it? And this one, oh, I should have put glitter on this. It's alright, I can add glitter in a minute. I think that's quite neat to say I've not used a detailer brush. They are quite straight, aren't they? Actually, I'll put that's got a shimmer in it on the thumb. Wait and see the shimmer in this, guys. It's beautiful. Look at that shimmer. Isn't it pretty? Right, I'm going to stick them in the lamp. I think black on the orange ones. I'm just going to separate the colour from the white nail. Right, I'm going to quickly cure them. They're looking so smart. I want to cover up a little bit more of that white because it's a bit patchy. I should have done 2 coats after all. So I'm going to use this glitter. I'm just going to use base coat and sprinkle the glitter into the wet base coat. Right, I'm just going to get them cured and then we can brush off all that excess. Right guys, I've got some stickers. I didn't show these stickers at the beginning because it might have given it away. But they are flame stickers. Has anybody guessed what the occasion is? That green covers up that white perfectly, doesn't it? Doesn't look patchy anymore. So I'm going to get some of these stickers stuck on, get them top coated. I'll give them a little buff to smooth them out. And then that'll be them finished. Right guys, that's them finished. I ended up putting a little butterfly on there because I had a little bit of a patch. I think it covered it up perfect, didn't it? So what do you think? Has anybody guessed yet? I hope nobody's cheated. What do you think, guys? So are we ready to find out what the special occasion is? I absolutely hate the shape of these tips. Oh my gosh, that's why I've got hundreds of these tips, because I hate them and I never use them. And if any of you didn't guess halfway through, this is got to be an April Fool's, and you actually thought I was doing my best work, then you don't know me at all. Absolutely disgusting. I'm sorry guys, I couldn't help myself. These, oh, don't even dare tell me you're not going to come off. Yeah, these are coming straight off, I'm afraid. There we go guys, my special occasion nails. Let me know honestly in the comments if any of you guessed. I'll be curious to see what your comments were. Anyway guys, I'm so sorry for doing that, couldn't help myself. That is it for today. Please give the video a big fat thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Hit your notification bell as well so you don't miss any of my videos. And we'll do something properly on these tomorrow. Hopefully I'll see you back in my next one. Take care, bye.